The way that you use lighting can affect the way that your audience perceives your videos as well as the mood that you're trying to convey. For example, a moody lighting setup like this can convey a sense of drama or darkness, whereas a setup like this can convey a sense of calmness or ease to your audience. Makes them feel really comfortable. So whether you're a content creator or filmmaker, learning how to utilize one light source can really step up the quality of your videos. So today I'm going to show you a few tips on how to utilize one light source to take your videos from this to this. Before we get started, you're probably wondering, hey Will, I can just use my ceiling light. Why would I need to invest in a studio light? Well, as you can see, the difference between just using the light above me versus my studio light, you can see that the studio light is a lot more professional. So with that being said, if you already own a light, you're already a step ahead. If you don't, I have a tip for you coming up that'll really help you out. Now, if you're looking to buy some lights, video lights can range anywhere from $50 to like $30,000. So what I'll do is I'll just make a list below of different lights for each kind of budget. Definitely check those out if you want to. I'm not affiliated and I won't get paid for it, but I figured it'd be helpful for people that are looking to buy some lights. Definitely let me know if that helped you out. All right, now that we got that out of the way, here's my first tip. Now, the first tip I have for utilizing one light source is to place the light at different angles just off of camera. Placing the light at different angles just off of camera can convey different moods to your audience. You have the straight on light, which is directly behind the camera. This is a little bit more flattering to the face. Then you have the light at about 25 degrees off camera, which is like your standard key light setup. A key light is just basically like a main light that lights up your talent, your subject, video terms. Then you have 45 degrees, which is a lot more cinematic and dramatic. I actually prefer somewhere between 25 and 45, but 45 is awesome. Then you have it at a complete right angle. You can set it at about 90 degrees off camera. This is a lot more dramatic because it just has one side of your face that's lit and the other side of your face that's really dark. You can get really creative with this. If you're filming a documentary or if you run like a crime drama YouTube channel, this would be a great way to light it. And then another way that you can angle it is do a top-down light. Now this is also super dramatic because basically you're putting the light directly above you and the light's just shining down, obviously because it's above you. If you like the way this looks, then definitely utilize it, but this is a pretty niche angle to set your light up. So here's a comparison of all of them together, and let me know which one you like the most in the comments. Now, like I said before, I have a tip for you if you don't have a light. If you don't own a light, you can utilize a natural light. Sometimes the best lighting is the sun. Now, you don't want direct sunlight unless you're going for a shot like this, but simply placing yourself next to a window can drastically change the look of your shot. Now, sunlight can fluctuate, which is the downside of window lighting, but other than that, this is a great, cheap, and effective way to take the quality of your videos to the next level. And just like using a regular video light at different angles, you can do the same thing with window lighting. Here's some examples and comparisons. So there you have it. If you're a content creator or filmmaker, I hope these tips were helpful for you. And if so, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Also, if you made it this far, how's your day? Is it going good? Hope you're doing good. Yeah. I'll see you next time.